guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for GitHub Copilot. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Head on to github.com or just search in your search bar GitHub Copilot. So this is going to be for your desktop, of course. So from there, once you're signed in, you will see here you can get started with Copilot. So all you have to do is press that. So from there, it will redirect you to a new page, and here it will take you to pricing. So here you want to choose from Copilot Individual. So you can also start a free trial right here. And what's included, you can see right here. So basically, you'll get unlimited chat, interaction, context awareness, coding support, and debugging, and security recommendation assistance. So there's also code completion and many much more you can choose from. So you also have your Copilot Business with $19 per month, while your Copilot Individual is only 10 USD per month. So that's 100, as you can see here, per year. So you have your Enterprise for bigger enterprises, of course, and you can see what's included. So you can start a free trial right here if you want to. So all you have to do is start your 30-day free trial, and you can get access to your GitHub Copilot. So there you go, guys. If this is very easy to do, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.